We're going to learn how to take off our front quick release wheel. First thing we're going to do is we're going to push the brake arm into the wheel while pulling back on the cable. And releasing our cable holder. That'll open the brake. Next, we're going to open up the quick release skewer. That is this lever here. We're going to pull the lever down while holding the nut on this side and unscrewing it a little ways. You don't have to take it all the way off, to the point where you can remove the wheel easily. Install your front wheel. You're going to place the front fork onto your front axle. Like that. Reconnect your brake. And the reason why we do that is so that we know that the wheel is centered in between the brake when we go to tighten it down. After connecting the brake, we're going to come down here to our skewer, and we are going to tighten down our nut on the skewer and attempt to close the lever to lock the wheel in. When you close the lever, it should have enough pressure on the lever that it leaves a little dent in your hand so that you have a little mark. And that way you know that it is enough pressure on it.